Why is BRCGS important? Recognized by many leading food businesses, BRCGS standards enables businesses to manage product safety, integrity, legality, quality, and the operational controls through the provision of a globally recognized framework. Several highly regarded food safety standards, including BRCGS, can all be categorized under the Global Food Safety Initiative, otherwise known as GFSI. GFSI drives continual improvement in food safety management through its GFSI benchmarks. The benchmarks are a set of common criteria defined by food safety experts with the objective of making food manufacturing safe and compliant. In fact, BRCGS is one of the 5 most widely used GFSI standards in Australia, and according to BRCGS's compliance report in 2022, more than 34,000 audits were completed against BRCGS standards in 135 countries. Whether you are a food manufacturer, quality assurance professional, or compliance officer, understanding the intricacies of BRCGS is essential for staying competitive and building consumer trust. BRCGS positions your business as a reputable market leader in delivering quality products and services, and provides quality assurance for each function at each stage of the supply chain. Take the first step to get GFSI benchmarked and access to global markets with BRCGS certification.